Hey guys, let me show you in this video how you can delete your Facebook page. So let's go and do that. Now I'm here in my Facebook page. Now I go here to the left top corner where you see three lines next to the Facebook. I will click there. And now I need to go here, scroll down to the settings and privacy. Click on that. Sorry, like so. Then select here settings. Now scroll down to your information here and click access and control. Now you will see three options: deactivate page, unpublished page, and delete page. So let's go and delete. Click continue. Now here you will need to select why you want to delete. So I will go with that. Also everything continue. Also continue. Now we need to enter password. And now we are here that we can delete the Vivaldi page and informations. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next